Hello, good evening, children. How are you all?
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening. Arvind, hope all set. I know you are joining from a mobile phone. That's okay, my dear. I think you can do it really well. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, you can. I'm confident that you will be able to do really well. Okay, let's wait for some 5 or
Yes,
6
ma'am.
minutes, then we'll start. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, do I have to show the poster? Ma'am,
Yes, Arvind, sorry for the delay. You are asking something?
yeah, do we have to show the poster to everyone or
Yeah, post I've shared in my school groups, but you can with your friends or relatives if you want. Okay, if they are ready to join, it will be great.
okay?
Okay. Vibina ma'am, good evening. So shall we start the meeting now? Vibina ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can start. Yes, we can start.
Oh, so does he have a co-host option, ma'am, to share his screen?
Actually, who is doing the welcome speech and who is the anchor?
Yeah, wait, ma'am. Just just a minute, ma'am. Nathan is here.
Nathan, are you here, Nathan?
Yeah, sorry, Nathan, right?
Nathan? Nathan is
Nathan,
not here.
then Hayan and Liana. They're having their roles in the meeting. So may I know if these students are out here in the meeting?
Liana is here. Oh, Liana left. Actually, she was here.
Okay. Why is Nathan not joining the call? Shall we wait for 1 or 2 minutes, and otherwise, can someone else take up the role?
Ma'am, let's mention in group.
Yeah, sure. Is Liana joined, ma'am? She is out here. What about Nathan?
I am here, ma'am.
Okay, great, my dear. And what about Hayan? Hayan is supposed to do the welcome speech, right? So may I know whether Hayan is there in the call?
I'll just check.
Okay.
No,
No. Okay.
no.
Then you can take up the role, right? You can welcome, you can do the anchoring and you can welcome our Arman for his webinar. Shall we do like that?
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, let's do that.
Okay, fine. So, yes, Nathan, over to you.
Welcome everyone to Arman's webinar. I am Nathan, his classmate, and I would like to introduce my good friend Arman, who is taking this webinar on Greek mythology. Arman, over to you. Hi, I'm Arman, and I will be doing, as Nathan said, on a webinar on Greek mythology. I will be explaining the Greek gods and some of the monsters in Greek mythology. Greek gods and monsters, Greek mythology. There are 12 main gods that are called Olympian gods in Greek mythology. They live on Mount Olympus. The 12 gods are Zeus, Hera, Poseidon, Demeter, Athena, Apollo, Artemis, Ares, Aphrodite, Hephaestus, Hermes, and Dionysus. Zeus, he is usually depicted as the king of the gods. He is also the god of sky, thunder, and he is also he also makes sure the kings in the Greek cities act properly. The next god is Hera. She is the queen of the gods and goddesses, as well as the goddess of marriage, childbirth, and family. She is married to Zeus. Hera is often shown wearing a crown or holding a scepter. Poseidon is the god of the sea, ocean, and water, also earthquakes and horses. He is the brother of Zeus, Hades. He is often shown holding a trident, which is his signature weapon. Demeter, she is the goddess of food, fertility, agriculture, and the harvest. She is usually associated with the changing of seasons, particularly in summer to autumn. Next is Athena. She is the goddess of wisdom, courage, inspiration, civilization, etc. She is often depicted as a wise, powerful warrior wearing a helmet, carrying a shield, and an owl, which is a symbol of wisdom. She is the patron god of Athens, the biggest city in Greece. Apollo, he is the god of music, poetry, prophecy, and medicine. He is also the protector of young men and the sun. He is a son of Zeus and Leto. Apollo is often depicted with a musical instrument or a bow and arrow. His symbols are usually the sun, raven, beach, and the python. Artemis, she is the goddess of the hunt, wilderness, and childbirth. She was a daughter of Zeus and Leto, and a twin sister of Apollo. Artemis is known for her hunting skills and was often depicted carrying a bow and arrow. Ares, he is the Greek god of war and violence. He is often depicted as a fierce warrior with a helmet and armor, carrying a shield and spear. He was known for his love of battle and violence, but the Greeks only respected him and don't pray to him. Aphrodite, she is the Greek goddess of love, beauty, pleasure, and procreation. She is believed to have been born from the foam of the sea and the blood of a god, and was often depicted as a beautiful woman. Hephaestus is the god of metalworking, craftsmanship, and fire. He created beautiful and useful objects such as weapons, armor, and jewelry. Despite his talents, he was usually considered an outcast among the gods due to his crippled legs. He is typically represented as a bearded man who walks with a limp and uses a cane. Next is Hermes. He is the messenger of the gods, and he is the god of everything that uses the road for transport. He also helps travelers reach the underworld. Hesita, she is the goddess of the heart, home, and architecture. She is often associated with warmth, hospitality, and family unit. She is considered a protector of the home and was often called upon to bless and purify new homes. She was also associated with the design and construction of temples and other public buildings. Now let us explore mystical creatures in Greek mythology. Mystical creatures are supernatural animals or hybrids that do not exist in the real world, but they have roots in the ancient mythology, stories, and folklore. We can find them in a lot of books, TV shows, films, and games. They also come as various types such as werewolves, unicorns, mermaids, griffins, centaurs, etc. Each of them have a unique legend or traits with them. Unicorn. A unicorn is typically depicted as a horse-like creature with a single spiraling horn protecting its forehead. It is often described as a symbol of purity, grace, and beauty. The unicorn is often associated with magic and is said to have the ability to heal the sick and purify water. There was also another type of unicorn where it's the opposite, I think, and they usually kill humans for food. Centaurs. A centaur is a mystical creature from Greek mythology that has an upper body of a human and lower body of a horse. They are often depicted as strong and powerful beings with
Hume altered the limiting value.
the most famous centaur in Greek mythology is Chiron, who is the teacher of many demigods, heroes such as Odyssey, uh, Hercules, etc. Cyclops, they are typically depicted as a giant with a single eye. They usually help fitters with the blacksmithing and metalworking. They can also be known as violent and dangerous. Usually there are many types of cyclops in Greek mythology, but the most dangerous is the northern one. Mermaids. These are half human, half fish creatures and known for their beauty and singing voices. They are often depicted as living in the ocean and luring sailors into the doom by putting them under the water and drowning them. That's it, and thank you for listening.
Yeah, that was
Wow.
great.
Thank you, Arman, for this wonderful presentation. Now over to Vaishnavi ma'am for her announcements.
Okay, so shall we start our Q&A session then? It was really great, Arman, and I appreciate your effort. Like, in spite of having your PC under repair, you managed to join the meeting on time. You use your mobile phone to present everything, and your love for your topic was also evident. Super. So hats off to you, Arman. So keep up your good work. So shall we just start Q&A? Like,
Yes.
do you have any questions for the audience?
Can I ask a question?
Yes, sure, Fatima. Yes, you can go. So, Arman, so some of our students from Hash Future School, they're having some doubts regarding this, or they can ask some questions to you. Are you ready? Are you ready to answer them? So, Fatima Ansal from Cosmos Medal is ready, right? Okay. Yes, Fatima, you can ask.
I know it's gonna be a bit complicated and I know it's gonna be hard to answer, but my only one and the only question is why are there so many gods? Just like it's like humans. Like they have many rules. Like if we go to a workshop, you can see that like one person have one role and they have to do it, and the other person have another role. Like one person control the farm, one person control the sky. Like why do we have gods for like separate things? That instead we could have one single god, like controlling the whole thing, right?
Yeah, but a lot of the Greek, there was like a lot of gods like chaos and stuff. But the Greeks got in a war and they changed it into different gods for each city. And in a few years before the Roman Empire became a real empire, they just turned it all into one religion type.
Thank you. That's the only question I have.
Okay, that's great. So shall we move on to the next question? Anybody else? So you can give a hand raise. So you can call accordingly. You guys can give a hand raise to me, so I'll call accordingly. Does anybody have any doubts? Ihan.
No.
Hayan, what about you? Ahmed.
I have a doubt.
Okay, please. Yes, Nathan, you can go.
Arman, what is the second type of unicorns called? You said they're the exact opposite. What are they called?
There was a
കാണുന്നില്ല
unicorn
കേൾക്കുന്നില്ലല്ലോ സുഖമില്ല മ്യൂട്ട് ബട്ടൺ കാണില്ലടാ എടാ മ്യൂട്ട് ബട്ടൺ ഇല്ല കാണുന്നു
instead of a
ഓഡിയോ
പറയുന്നെല്ലാം കേൾക്കും അവർക്ക്.
പക്ഷെ അങ്ങോട്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല ഒന്ന് എടുത്ത് ചോദിച്ചേ
All
four
other
and
participants to mute their mics, okay?
ഒന്നും കൂടി ജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത് നോക്കട്ടെ
So,
ഇത്
Ahmed,
സൗണ്ട്
fast,
കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല
please. Ahmed,
അവരോട്
fast.
ചോദിച്ചില്ല ആരോടെ ഒന്ന്
Ahmed,
സംസാരിച്ചോട്ടെ
fast, please mute your mic.
ഇത് മൈക്രോഫോൺ ആക്കി മൈക്രോഫോൺ
Ahmed, fast, please mute your mic.
ഹലോ
Arman,
ഹലോ മാം
yes, Ahmed.
ഹലോ
Yes, Ahmed.
ഹലോ
Yes, Ahmed.
Ma'am, I think they can't hear
Hello,
us.
ma'am.
Please mute him.
Okay, Arman, please mute him. Arman, I'm not the
Ma'am,
host.
hello?
Arman, please mute him, Arman.
ഒന്നും കൂടി റീജോയിൻ റീജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത് റീജോയിൻ ചെയ്യല
how do I mute someone?
I did.
can go to
I did.
Someone asked me a doubt. What was it?
What are the second type of
okay.
unicorns called? The ones which
Oh.
kill everybody and eat humans for their food?
Yeah, these unicorns were found in Tartarus, which is basically hell in Greek mythology. They were
Hello?
born with the blood of a god, and they were usually known for breathing fire and killing humans. As it was the blood the god which got killed was Uranus. He was the god of the sky. So his last wish was to kill the other gods. So when the unicorns got formed, like half of them got evil and tried their best to kill other people.
Okay. But what was what like is there like we have dog breeds like is that what like there is unicorn, there could be another type of unicorn, like there is does the bad unicorns have a name?
I think it's like flame unicorns or something like that. I didn't read about it in any books properly yet. I just got introduced to them in Percy Jackson.
Okay, thank you.
yes. So how some of you managed to answer. Great, Arman. Anybody else? Do you people have any more questions to our Arman? Or Arman, you can go, like, no, you can select one student from our school and then you can ask questions. You can call out a student from, yeah.
I didn't prepare any questions. I just know how to answer those.
It's perfectly fine. You can ask some random questions. Okay, from your webinar.
Um,
Okay.
Can anyone three gods' names? Any three?
Yeah, such an easy question. So students, yeah, try to answer. He asked an easy peasy question, right? Just name
Yep.
3 gods from Greek mythology.
Zeus, Athena, and Apollo.
Correct.
Great. Someone else also did a hand raise other than you. Who joined the name of Marina? Yes.
That was
Excuse me, ma'am.
me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, great. Okay,
Ex-
my dear. Okay, so
Excuse me, ma'am. Our meeting will end within 5 minutes. So, students, can you do a favor for me? Can you all please rejoin to the meeting? I'm going to end the meeting right now. So, can you please rejoin because we have one more webinar by our Rishna. So, we will be doing the Q&A session after rejoining. So, can you all
Okay.
please
okay.
rejoin to the same link itself?
Deal. Deal.
Yes.
Yes, everyone will be joining the same link, okay?